see, these two are scholars. 1, 2, 3. Donut. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can start talking as soon as you connect. Okay? All right. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm doing How are you?
I'm doing well. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're going in her space. Keep your posture up. Just engage with your right side, not with your head. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
How are you too?
And you start talking as soon as you connect. And you haven't met her yet. You haven't met her. She hasn't revealed her name, so you can say nice to meet you. You would say hello, how are you? Those kind of things, okay? All right, gentlemen, last group. Ready? 1, 2, hands out of your pocket. With him. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Justin Williams. How are you doing?
You gotta let go. After 3 shakes, let go. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold firmly.
I'm Justin Williams. How are you doing? I'm good.
I couldn't hear you. Okay? Project. But that was powerful. That was great. How you just went in. Hi, that is good. All right? That's how you do it. You forgot about the small talk. Who cares about the small talk? Let's just get into introduction. And that happens. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Justin Williams. I'm well. My name is Nathan.
I am.
I am Nathan.
Nice.
I'm doing great.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good. Good
Like
job.
video games?
And then you have a conversation. Last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm well. Listen up one more time. 1, 2, 3. Come in. See what you're doing is stopping. You see this gap right here? You need to go in, then shake. 1, 2, 3. And separate. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3. Good. So you wouldn't walk to her. It would only be your right leg that goes forward. Okay? All right? Okay. Good job, everyone.